Good day, everyone. We are Group 6, and today we are presenting CoursePath, an all-in-one digital learning space designed to simplify academic life for both students and educators. Right now, students are forced to constantly switch between multiple platforms just like check grades, view lessons, or submit assignments. CoursePath solves this frustration by bringing everything together into a single centralized hub. Think of it as a physical classroom, completely digitized. From one seamless interface, users can manage courses, track deadlines, and monitor their real-time academic progress. Now, let's walk you through how it works. For the login page, access starts at our welcoming interface. New or existing users just need to click Get Started and sign in with their credentials. This instantly leads to a personal home. After the login page, we're heading to the dashboard that provides an instant overview greeting. Your current progress at 75%, in case stats for enrolled courses and complete work. The sidebar allows quick jumping to all essential sections like my courses, assignments, calendar progress, or settings. So, my courses. We're going to moving on the course content page. The main purpose of this screen is to drill down into the specific details of a selected subject. At the top, the interface clearly displays the course's name alongside the instructor's name to provide immediate academic context. The main content area features a clean, instructor list of organized lesson topics. Next is the quiz details page, which gives students a clear focused view of a specific upcoming activity before they begin. Look at the layout. The page prominently features the quiz title, due date, and total points right at the top so students can check their deadlines and grading weight at a glance. Next is the calendar page, which acts as the student's centralized planner to help them manage their time and workload effectively. The main feature here is a comprehensive monthly calendar view that displays the full schedule of dates and academic events at a glance. To prevent information overload, we integrated a clean color coding system that visually separates assignments, quizzes, and exams. Additionally, the right side of the layout includes a structured list of upcoming tasks, serving as quick checklist for immediate priorities. And after that, the progress and grade page, which serve as the essential tool for self-assessment, helping students monitor their academic health and performance. The layout features on the prominent overall grade percentage right at the top, giving students an immediate high-level summary of their GPA across the entire semester. Below this overview, each enrolled subject is listed with individual score. To make data tracking more intuitive, we integrate dynamic progress bars next to each subject. This visual cue lets users instantly distinguish their highest performance classes from the ones that require more attention. So for the final interface is the setting page, which gives users full control over their account, preferences, and system alerts. The layout is divided into two primary functional sections, which is profile settings, where students can view and manage their personal account data, update credentials, or modify details, and notification preferences, a dedicated control panel that allows users to toggle and customize their system alerts. This ensures that whenever there is an academic-related update or new classwork assigned, an instant notification is sent directly to their registered email or device. Throughout this project, our group focused heavily on core UX principles. Our biggest challenge was balancing simplicity with completeness, creating a feature-rich interface without creating visual clutter. Through multiple design interactions, we learned that true user experience isn't just about functionality, it's about making that functionality intuitive. Building CoursePath taught us exactly how to translate real student pain points into a polished, responsive interface that bridges the gap between design and daily technology. Thank you.